Hello everyone, welcome to this Google Tag Manager mini course. In this course, I will show you how to set up Google Tag Manager in your WordPress website. Then I will show several events, how to track this type of events in your through your Google Tag Manager and implement this. Then how to send this event to Facebook or Google Analytics. So welcome to this mini course. At first, I will show you how to install Google Tag Manager in your WordPress website. Previously, I showed this, but I will show you from the beginning again. For this, I will show you how to create Google Tag Manager account. Now, for this, you have to go to tagmanager.google.com. I will link this in the description of this video. First of all, go to this link. As I have account previously, so I am seeing this many things, but you will not see anything. At first, you have to click create account. Now you have to provide your account name. Let's say my account name is Web Learnings 1. Then you have to select your country. You can select your residence country, no matter where are you from, no problem. Now go to the next step. Then click this field and basically you have to put your website address. So you need to input your website address. For me, this is weblearnings.xyz. That's it. Now you have to click web. Why clicking web? Because we want to track our website. That's why we have to click web. If we want to track iOS apps or Android or AMP mobile pages or server, then we have to click these things. But for now, we have to click web. Then click create. After clicking create, we will create our account. Just a consent box will appear. Just click create. Now you have to click yes, but you just need to click this box, then click yes. Now after clicking yes, you will get a window where your account will be created. So as I have account, so I don't I am not clicking that. I just go to my previous account. You just click yes, then you will see this type of event like this interface. So, what is text, triggers, variables, folders? I will discuss about it. At first, text. Let's go from variables. What is variable? A variable is a uh, function of a tag manager where we can input our data, or we can store our data. Then we can use this data to send many things like parameter or any kind of data to store this in our analytics tools like Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and many more like Google ads. Now, what is trigger? Trigger is something that whenever we take any action, or whenever we visit a website, then many events happen. Like, let's go to a website. I'm visiting a e-commerce website. This is our team website. Let's say we visited a product page. So when we visit a product page, a trigger will happen, or it is a event, or it is something that Google Tag Manager considers as an event. When that means a customer visited a product page. If we click add to cart, then it is also an event. Our we have taken a action, that means we have clicked add to cart. That's why it is an event. That means trigger. Whenever a person click add to cart, that means a trigger will fire or a trigger will take place. That means whenever any action happened in a website, it means trigger, and we can decide how a trigger will work. That means if we want to track a add to cart, then whenever a person click add to cart button, then we can tell Google Tag Manager it is an event, and it is a trigger, and we can set up a tracking code or tracking tag through this trigger. And what is tag? Now comes to track, and the tag is we if we want to track any event, then we have to set up a tag where we can tell Google Tag Manager that this is this is a type of tag we want to track for this. Like whenever we want to track add to cart, then we can set up a add to cart tag and tell Google Tag Manager that whenever this trigger happens, we want to track add to cart. That means we will send this data to any of our required analytics tools and tell them this is the add to cart. So what we want to track, that means the answer will be the your tag. Okay, so if we go to a cart page, or if we proceed to checkout, then it will happen, it will track a initiate checkout tag. That means if we want to track this checkout page, then we have to set up a initiate checkout tag. This is the tag basically. Now how to install this on your website? So for this we have to put a HTML code, or if we have a WordPress website, then we can easily uh, copy this and uh, implement this, or paste it in our website through a plugin. So we will show you how to do that. Just let's copy this. Now we have to visit our website backend for WordPress. I am going to my website backend. Then we have to go to plugins and then add new. After that, we have to search GTM for WP. This is the plugin we want to install. I already installed this, so I don't need to install it. But if you are a new, then you have to click this button. You will see a install now button here. So you just click install now, then a button will arrive that activate, that called activate. Just click activate. Now when you do that, you will see a Google Tag Manager in this settings. When you go to settings, then go to Google Tag Manager. Click Tag Manager. Now we copied this Tag Manager ID. This is called a Tag Manager ID because this is the ID of our account. Google Tag Manager identifies our account from this code. If we click this, then we can see a HTML code. We can also do the installation through this code, but if we install this by this ID, then the tag will help us in many way, like data layer and many other tracking. For that's why we are using this plugin. So for this, we just need to copy the ID. We also already copied it, and go to the settings and Google Tag Manager. Now here you will see Google Tag Manager ID. Here in this portion, you will see a blank because you just installing it. So for this, just come here and paste your ID, and then you don't need to do anything. Just container code on or off. This means this container should work or not. So I just need to on this container code, and it just need to off. click this off checkbox, then save. Keep your in your mind that when at first time, if we paste a code and just save it, then the container code will be default off. So you just again onto you need to click on, then again click save. After that, you will see, you will successfully install Google Tag Manager in your website. So now, how to check your Tag Manager is working? For this, you have to visit your website. Let's go to our website. Here, I have used a plugin called Google Tag Assistant Legacy. Sorry, it is a Google Chrome extension. You have to install it. I will link this in the description. After that, you have to click Enable. Then you have to reload the web page again. When I reload this, I can see there is a on. There is written a on. Just click it. So result of tag analysis on in total. So what can we see? We can see a Google Tag Manager and its ID is GTM KMN944K. So what is our Google Tag Manager ID? This is the same GTM KMN944K. That means our Google Tag Manager is perfectly installed in this website. Now, what to do next? The next step is tracking different kind of events. So I can show you some example through variables. Go to variables, then click configure. I'll show you in the later video, just showing you what we can do with Google Tag Manager. We can track many things like page URL, page host name through this is the variable, and through this variable we can track this. We have also clicks, uh, many kind of clicks event, form submission tracking, video tracking, scrolling, visibility, and many more. And let's go to triggers and show you something. You can see page view tracking, all elements tracking, just link click tracking, scroll depth, YouTube video watch tracking. Whenever a person watch your a YouTube video through in your website, we can track who is watching videos on your website, how much time they're watching. I mean, and many more like custom event, history change, timer, trigger group. Will show this one by one in this mini course. So what you will learn, I have already discussed. Track setup page view event, built-in variables concept, then tracking multiple custom events with built-in variables like such as a timer, link clicks, all elements, scroll depth, video tracking, then trigger group, and also a various concept like page URL, page path, etc. Many more. That's it. So you will learn Google Tag Manager basic to intermediate through this course. I will upload this in this YouTube channel. So if you are interested in Google Tag Manager, please subscribe to be updated. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. And I will also create a Google Tag Manager mini course playlist, so you can see the all the videos in that playlist. Thank you very much. Let's I will talk to you in the next videos.